get the sunglasses from?
I gave them to them. Both of them were wearing them before, right before you got home.
Oh, this is too funny.
Oh my, Maddie, it's not a plain ice cream thing. I thought it was a play thing. They're real dishes and little teeny napkins. So you could, someday we should have the girls next door over since they missed your party. And we could make little ice cream scoops for them. Wouldn't that be fun? Ice cream silly suggestions. How cool.
Ian, Ian, can I see you with your sunglasses?
And here's a little table.
What are you so happy about? What did you find back there? Oh, the cat?
Very, very cool, man. You have to be careful with it, okay? Because it's... Gum! 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 Oh my gosh, these are so cute. You can put in here. Okay. What should I put in there? Well, to pretend, or what do you mean? To like, to eat? Oh yeah. Do you want to see, do we have any ice cream? Coffee flavor. We'll have to buy some ice cream.
The kitty's under there? Yeah. Give you the hippo? Yeah.